Introducing the all-new Kawasaki ZX-10R, designed for speed, power, and adrenaline. Thank you for coming back to Motorcycle Brothers, again with the ZX-10 KRT Edition 2023. This is an amazing bike. I love it. I hope you guys like it. Respecting the braking period on a new racing motorcycle is important because it allows the engine components to settle and adapt to each other. Today, we're going to take you on a trialing journey as we break in this Iron Horse on the street. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride with me. Braking the new racing motorcycle requires precision and finesse. We need to take it slow, gradually exploring the bike's capabilities through each turn and straightaway. Every bike has its own unique personality. Fine-tuning the suspension and adjusting various settings ensure optimal performance. It is very important to know what you're doing. Experience is good, but you never know how other people ride. So it's important for you to do things right, even to pray before going in a ride. I do it myself. I remember when I was young and I listened to the motorcycles far away. It always been to me the dance of the iron horses. When I hear a motorcycle far away, I say, here is the dance of the iron horse. So this is my iron horse, the ZX-10 2023. I'm very excited to keep riding this motorcycle and doing videos for you. It's very important to me to take care of my motorcycle, okay? So even though we don't like to read the owner's manual, I think it's important that we know the braking period, because respecting the braking period will optimize the reliability and longevity of your new racing motorcycle, ensuring to get the most out of it for years to come. Braking in a new racing motorcycle is a journey of discovery, where rider and machine bonds together to learn the limits of speed and performance. As the session comes to an end, it's important to cool down the engine and do a controlled stop. This allows the components to settle and ensures longevity. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned. We're gonna come back with more new videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.